So we're on exercise 5-24 in the textbook. This is the blend tool. The blend tool would be a useful tool when creating contour lines. It's located under fillet, blend curves right here. So we're gonna select blend curves, and notice we can select the first objects or set how we want continuity to look. So if we click on continuity, we can say whether we want to do tangent curves or smooth curves. So let's look at it if we use tangent curves first, and we just go along and this time we'll do a smooth curve and select the first object and the second object so you can see the difference. And I'll repeat blend, and I'll select this object and this object and this object and that object, and you can kind of see how it kind of connects things and makes them as uniform as possible. Notice this is a spline right here. This is a spline here. This is a spline here. So it was adding splines to connect the objects.